Now, here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
24 hours from right now, we'll likely be seeing some snow, some sleet, some freezing rain, and rain falling here in southeastern New England. It's going to be a messy Monday morning, but we're not expecting a ton of precipitation, but just enough that we'll likely be seeing some issues tomorrow morning. A winter weather advisory in effect for tonight, 11 o'clock till Monday morning at 10 a.m. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar showing nothing out there right now. However, we are expecting a dry day here in southern New England. No problems at all, but as we take a look at the temperatures, it's pretty cold. 19 degrees in Smithfield, 22 in Coventry, 28 in Newport, Ninigret at 25. Over in New Bedford, we've got 21 degrees. The specifics in Providence at 25. Feels like 18 degrees with that wind chill factor. Winds from the west at around 6 miles an hour. Newport 28. Over in New Bedford, we've got a calm wind, so the wind chill factor not a factor over there this morning. Let's get a look at the satellite radar picture, and you can see that we've got fairly quiet conditions here in southern New England, but the clouds not too far away. So we're going to be seeing the sunshine giving way to cloudiness throughout the course of the morning, late morning, and during the afternoon hours. And then eventually tonight, we're going to get some of this precipitation that you see developing down here across the mid-Atlantic states. That'll be working its way into southern New England later in the evening and especially early tomorrow morning. Let's get a look at what we're anticipating here in southern New England. Actually, a weak area of low pressure will be developing off to our south, and what we're going to be seeing is first some snow, then some sleet, and then turning over to some freezing rain, and then eventually a cold rain here in southern New England. And the total amount of precipitation is actually very little, so that's actually a good thing. But nonetheless, we're still dealing with some snow and ice, and any snow and ice on the roadways could cause some slick travel. So let's break this all down for you. Here we are at 3 o'clock this afternoon with our Futurecast with mainly cloudy skies taking you through the course of the night. Notice after midnight especially is when we begin to see the snow working its way into the area. And notice it's not a big wall of snow either. It's kind of fragmented. As the storm system gets a little bit closer, it's going to be kind of losing its punch a little bit. But we're still going to be seeing a period of snow, a period of some sleet or ice pellets, and eventually some freezing rain, and then a plain old rain will be working its way northward throughout the course of the morning. Here we are around 8 o'clock on Monday morning. Notice by that time in the Providence area, probably a plain old rain, but areas north and west of Providence may stay a freezing rain throughout much of the morning. That typically is what would happen in this kind of a scenario. And then it turns to all rain and then out of here by the Monday evening commute. How much snow and ice? Not a whole bunch, but up to 2 inches north and west of Providence. Providence area on off to the south, up to an inch of snow. Extreme southeastern Mass, probably no accumulations at all. So let's break it all down for you. For today, temperatures upper 20s in the morning to mid 30s in the afternoon. The snow and sleet begins closer to midnight, and especially after midnight with some small accumulations possible. Monday morning commute, we'll see it turning over to freezing rain, then all rain near the coast and up to I-95. By Monday at noontime, all rain everywhere, but it's going to take a little longer for that switch over to all rain in the northwestern part of the state. Wind's not a big problem, but there could be some delays, especially inland areas tomorrow morning because of the snow and ice on the roadways. Delays are possible, and we are looking at some medium impacts on the roadways, as they will likely be treated, but the roads will be possible. Here's that 7-day Futurecast. Some snow and rain showers expected on Tuesday. No accumulations really expected there. Wednesday, Thursday, the Arctic air will be in place, upper 20s and lower 30s, and pretty cold on Friday as well. But if you're out doing a little holiday shopping today, no big deal at all. We're just looking at the skies to be clouding up.
All right, good to know. Thank you very much, TJ. Eyewitness